Replacing your Xhorse key fob battery is a simple process. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool, and a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Locate the seam on the fob, usually marked by a notch. Gently pry the case open, being careful not to apply too much force to avoid damage. Once open, remove the old battery, using a non-conductive tool to avoid short circuits. Insert the new battery with the positive plus side up, ensuring proper alignment. Finally, snap the case back together securely. Test the remote functions, lock-unlock, to confirm the replacement was successful. Remember to always power off the fob before opening to prevent electrostatic discharge. If the remote doesn't work after replacing the battery, repairing is usually required. For most Xhorse fobs, this involves cycling the vehicle's ignition. Some Bluetooth-enabled models can be repaired using the Xhorse app or software. This process synchronizes the fob's ID with the vehicle's ECU. Common issues include improper repairing or using low-quality batteries. Always use genuine batteries to avoid corrosion and potential remote failure. If issues persist, ensure your Xhorse software is up to date. A full ECU reset via the app might be necessary. For cold weather drain, consider upgrading to a rechargeable battery model. If visual inspections reveal a faulty PCB connection, consult online tutorials for potential DIY soldering fixes.